Short form content is all the rage, and everywhere you look, there's another video or success story prompting you to make YouTube Shorts. But if you're a small YouTuber trying to grow your channel, don't make YouTube Shorts. At least, not until after watching this video. If you are anything like me, you've been told by countless friends and YouTube gurus to make YouTube Shorts. For quite some time, Shorts have been touted as a cheat code of sorts for getting new subscribers, getting your content in front of lots and lots of people, especially if you're a small YouTuber, which is an itty bitty little audience of your own. And yes, the idea of getting tons of new subscribers and views sounds great. I mean, of course it does. Who wouldn't want that? But in reality, it's not quite as straightforward as it seems. And in fact, making YouTube Shorts may actually be a big mistake. You fall under these two conditions. The first condition is if you're relying on YouTube Shorts to bring you subscriber growth. What? I thought conventional wisdom was that Shorts made it easier to get subscribers. Isn't that the whole point? Yeah. That's what I thought too. But instead of relying on conventional wisdom, let's take a look at the data. And if you want data, look no further than Paddy Galloway. If you're unfamiliar with Paddy, he is a brilliant YouTube strategist who's worked with top YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Ryan Trahan, and Noah Kagan. And just a few months ago, he analyzed 3.3 billion views across 5,400 shorts to decode the YouTube algorithm. In his analysis, he took a look into subscriber conversion rates. And what he found is that long-form videos still convert subscribers better than shorts. On average, long-form videos converted 22.7 subscribers per 10,000 views, while shorts converted only 16.9 subscribers per 10,000 views. When I saw Paddy's research come out, I was a little skeptical. I mean, I had heard so much about how YouTube Shorts were the hack for getting new subscribers. And I had just started this brand new YouTube channel from scratch. I was determined to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark for monetization as fast as I could, so I still gave it a shot. I was curious to see if Paddy's research still held up if you had 0 subscribers. So for the first month of having this YouTube channel, I uploaded 1 YouTube short per day and 1 long-form video per week. After 30 days were up, the results were in. And unfortunately, Paddy was right. In that 1 month, I brought in 4,500 views from my long-form videos, which resulted in 118 subscribers gained. With my daily shorts, however, I more than doubled the views of my long-form videos, but those near 10,000 views only converted 17 subscribers. And it kind of sucks because I was really hoping for that subscriber cheat code hack to be real. But if you're at the point where your main focus is subscriber growth, especially if you're at the stage of trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark for YouTube monetization, you are much better off just focusing on long-form videos. But let's say that you don't care about the subscribers. What if you're just trying to make more money from YouTube? Well, that brings us to the second condition of when YouTube Shorts are not worth it, if you're relying on them for revenue. See, Paddy also looked into the revenue potential of YouTube Shorts after the new Shorts revenue sharing model was introduced in February. What kind of money can you see from YouTube Shorts? A grand average RPM of 6 cents. That means for every 1,000 views your shorts get, you get 6 cents. So even if a short of yours brings in 1 million views, you only get 60 bucks. To put that in comparison, let's say that you had a pretty average long-form YouTube RPM of $2.50. In order to make that $60 that you would need 1 million shorts views from, you'd only need around 24,000 views on your long-form video. Now, yes, it's definitely possible for a short to blow up and break 1 million views, but if you look at most of the YouTubers who are consistently creating both long-form and short-form content, their long-form videos actually consistently bring in more views than their shorts. So by now you may be asking, if YouTube Shorts aren't great for subscriber growth and they're not great for revenue, then why are people making them? The thing is, YouTube Shorts serve as a great addition to long-form content. You can see this especially for YouTubers with teams. Take the My First Million podcast, for instance. Sam and Sean devote a lot of time to their weekly podcast. They research, come up with ideas, and show up on the pod ready to educate and engage. With their shorts, however, Sam and Sean don't have to do anything. Instead, their team just takes some clips from their long-form videos, adds a little bit of editing, and boom, a short. For them, shorts are a great way to consistently bring in more views without any additional effort from them, especially when their team can easily repost those shorts to TikTok and Instagram Reels. But ultimately, if you're a small solo YouTuber who's trying to grow, and there was no team to help you out, you're better off just focusing on long form videos. And before anyone yells at me in the comments, yes, I know that there are always exceptions, but let's say that you do get lucky and one of your shorts blows up and gets a million views. Then what? If you're already monetized, you're $60 richer, so there's that. But at least from my own experience and from what I've seen from other YouTubers, viewers from shorts aren't typically the highest quality viewers. Most of the rude comments that I've seen on YouTube have come from YouTube Shorts. And many Shorts viewers just treat YouTube like TikTok, hopping on primarily for short form content while ignoring any long form videos. In those cases, unless you are consistently uploading shorts, all those new short subscribers serve is to decrease your click-through rate as your long-form videos gets put onto their homepages and never gets clicked on. Look, if you're thinking about YouTube Shorts from a purely additive standpoint where you can post them consistently without affecting your long-form content, then by all means go for it. But if you're a smaller solo YouTuber, especially at the stage where you're just trying to get monetized, they're just not worth it. What should you do instead? Well, I'm currently on day 6 of a challenge to get this YouTube channel monetized within 90 days. I am still figuring it out, but if you want to follow along the journey and learn with me as I try new things, then check out this video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, truly, and I'll see you in the next one.